wasting tears on me. I'ma tell you it ain't worth the fight. I'ma hurt you if you let me. I can love you only for the night. I can love you for the night, baby.
No, man, the goddamn battery dead on the camera. Fuck. I'm planning on making a video for y'all, son. The camera wanna be dead. Look, y'all, when I turn the air on, this is how I'm turning on the air. It turned blue. And when I turn on the heat, it turned red. That's hard. I fuck with that. But y'all, I'ma try to get y'all a POV drive, son. I don't feel like going back inside and try to charge the battery, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to squeeze this POV drive in. See if the camera don't die. Hopefully it don't die. Man, it's cold as a motherfucker though, god damn. I know a lot of y'all been telling me to get back on the YouTube. Y'all wanna see vlogs and shit about on the car. So look, man, check it out, man. You know what I'm saying? It's 7 o'clock, it's 7:30. So y'all can see, man. Coming out here to do y'all a video. Show y'all the interior. Got the black leather seats with the AMG the badge right there. They got the LED lights on back of the doors and the by the door handles to open the door. They got the speakers inside the door. Do got a sunroof, back seat. You know what I'm saying? Got all this extra shit right here. All type of stuff. Even right here, like this shit right here is carpet. Y'all can see that shit is carpet. That would fuck me up. But y'all can see, man, we is in the AMG thing. We in the AMG thing. I'm gonna get the car warm up right quick before I take off. The camera is dead, like I say, man. I hope it don't die on me while I'm making this video. Gotta get y'all POV drive. Y'all probably can't hear me because of the wind or whatever. But I need a haircut, need my hair done, hair wash. Looking rough right now. Fuck it, I don't care. Y'all, it do have a charging thing right there. I can put my phone there and charge. But let's go ahead and take off with this. Yo, this bitch so smooth, man. I'ma tell y'all something, bro. I'ma tell y'all some real shit, man. To all the Hellcats and Scat Pack on the dog, this whole ball game, my nigga. Like I come from that type of shit. I come from Hellcats and fucking, you know what I'm saying, all that other shit. But nigga, y'all, this on a whole nother level right here. Real shit. This on a whole nother level. This real main shit, man. Fuck a Hellcat, fuck a Scat Pack, nigga. I don't think I ever going back on some shit. Real nigga shit, man. This was that, man. I'm glad I did went this way, this route. Like I say, man, I'm gonna keep this car for like 3 years, and I'm gonna get rid of it, and I'm gonna go get the E63. That's a different model, AMG. I believe it comes with the V8 twin turbo with 600 some horsepower. So shit like that. I know that little motherfucker. Damn, that bitch so nasty. But the plans for the car, y'all, bro, I'm looking for some chrome rims. Man, I'm not even close to the car, bro. I'm looking for some chrome rims, dog. I was thinking about putting 22s on here, but I'm gonna stick with the 20s. And yeah, we're gonna thug it out with the 20s, but I want some chrome rims on this motherfucker. I'm gonna put a picture in right here in the middle of the video. That black on chrome is, ooh, shit. That motherfucker just do something to me. You know what I'm saying? Oh shit. Y'all, ain't this little motherfucker drive itself, son? Look, let me show y'all. Okay, I put in cruise control, right? Watch this. Right there. Can't tell me, look. Look, no Hellcat, no Scat Pack on them. I bet y'all shit don't do this shit. Alright? Look at that. Look at the wheel turning by itself. I swear I'm not touching it. Y'all see the wheel turning itself? I'm not touching it. Look. Watch this curve right here. Watch this curve right here. Oh, y'all see that bitch turning itself, man. Stop playing, man. Alright. I don't let it drive itself for that long. Look. So look, there y'all see how that bitch stopped and it like it threw me back in the lane, that bitch. Hey bro, that bitch do all that, man. I'm telling y'all, man, this the best ride ever with. No cap, man. If y'all watching this video, man, to this point, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, like, and comment. If you new to the channel, I used to be SRT TJ. I guess I'm AMG TJ. AMG TJ. Hey, that don't sound too bad to me. Hey, look, man, let's put this thing in Sport Plus. Shall we see? Sport T Plus. Turn the traction on. Oh, look, man, let me tell y'all something about the a dig in this motherfucker. Cause y'all know this bit all-wheel drive, bro. When I tell you something, this motherfucker so nasty from a dig. I don't be beating on my shit or trying to race it every day or something, you know what I'm saying? But of course I did try it. I tried that out to see what it's working with, and this motherfucker working with something, man. Bro, I had did a Scat Pack at the red light, man. I left that nigga in so bad, bro. Nigga ain't even know what the fuck I was, man. Nigga ain't know what the fuck I had with, bad nigga. But chill, y'all, man. I've been loving the car, bro. I've been having it about 2 weeks now. Hey, bro, I love it. Y'all see that right there? It's like a little charger thing. So look, when I let off the gas, it charges. When I hit the gas, it say power, and charge. And when I'm just cruising. You know, so, man, this motherfucker just got so much technology, bro. This button right here on the side, them buttons right here, I can lower the car and do all other extra ass shit, but bro, this bitch so nasty, so I can lower the car and rise it up, raise it up. Like, come on, man. Yeah, man, it really do feel good to be back on the grind. You know what I'm saying? We back on the YouTube. We back on the YouTube, man. Let's get this shit rolling, bro. We were so close from getting monetized, and I just stopped recording. Like, what sense does that make, son? That shit is stupid as fuck. I don't know why I did that. Let me turn down this heater. I don't know why I did that. But it's all good though, bro. We back on this motherfucker. It ain't never too late. We back on this motherfucker. I'm getting tired, bro. Oh yeah. Ooh, shit, I'm really tired. I really just woke up not too long ago. Just hopped up, washed my face, brushed my teeth, picked up the camera. Oh yeah, here go a dig for y'all right here, bro. This shit. Y'all hear them pops and crackers. I really supposed to wait. Like build boost, it didn't launch as hard as it's supposed to, but it's all good though. I'm gonna show y'all another. I'm gonna try to launch it again for y'all. You know, I don't know why I just figured out to come out at this time when everybody going to work. That's stupid. So y'all, bro, y'all can see we was on the phone. The fucking camera died. That motherfucker told me the battery was exhausted. So we gonna be on the goddamn phone until we end the goddamn video. It's all good though, cause I'm gonna get y'all this footage. So it really don't matter, dog. Let me downshift this motherfucker. Shit. This motherfucker active though, nigga. Look, y'all, let me show y'all one more thing. I can go over here and change like how I want my dash to look. This bitch show like the boost and shit. And the horsepower and the torque. This one showed the temperatures, and this one showed the gas mileage. Got 135 left, and this shows the map. I like it on that, and I can change this to all that other extra shit, and I can either change the dash too, like the whole dash. But I actually like this. They got like a sport. I'll show y'all. I think I'll show y'all this on another video. But if y'all ain't see it, here y'all go. They got this dash. Got the one I just took off, and they got this one. It's kind of progressive. I don't really care for this one. Yeah, too much futuristic shit. I like that classic, baby. Classic, baby. Yeah. So y'all can see, man. Sexy bitch. Got that AMG, man. Y'all can see I got that windshield tint with that 5 all around. Can't see a damn thing in that motherfucker, man. See the red brakes. I love the back of it, son. Like they just designed this bitch so perfect. Got the little small little wing on it. Little dual exhaust. I just love this motherfucker, dog. Like they did that shit on this motherfucker. The wheels look good, but them chrome bitches I'm talking about, man, they'll bring it out so much better. Got the front end grill. I'm gonna change that grill into that AMG grill. Put a splitter on the bottom of it. Side skirts, might put a splitter on the back of it too. And yeah. So you can see, you can't see nothing in there. I do got 20 on the windshield. I got 5 all around. Check out the brakes, the rotors, the wheels. Yeah, it's really not too much to show, but yeah, bro, I think I made a good choice, good decision. See the AMG badge, CLS 53. Got the air vents, all the other extra shit, but it is dirty right now. I had washed it the other day, but it rained right after I washed it, so it's supposed to rain again. So that's why I'm really not fucking with it. So yeah, this is my first black car too. Like when I first washed it, it was kind of hard. Like this is my first ever black owned car, so it was like it took me a little longer because every time I washed it. Every time I washed it and dried it outside, I seen dirt, so it was just shit hard to wash and maintain. But I am finna get the I'm finna get a fucking what is called paint correction, buffed, and get all the swirls and scratches out the paint and ceramic coat it. So yeah, it's gonna be straight after that. But if you like the video, bro, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, like, and comment. We out, bro. See y'all in another one.